No! No! Hey guys, it's your girl Peri. Welcome back to my channel. And I just want to address something really quick before we get into this video. Some of y'all might have noticed that I did not post for the past 2 weeks. And the reason being is because I got sick like before Christmas started, and I was sick for almost 2 weeks straight. And no, I did not have COVID-19, but I did have the flu, and that really did suck. But I'm feeling a lot better now. I'm feeling myself. So let's get into today's video. Obviously by the title, you already know what's going down, but just want to show you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this palette. Like, just look at it. It's beautiful. I just want to show y'all. Look at all those beautiful colors. Like, we're gonna get to play with all those colors today, and I'm super excited. But yeah, Lisa Frank. This is my childhood. Like, literally. I used to have, I don't know if y'all remember, like the velvet coloring posters or whatever, and you would color them. Like, I had those. And I also remember that I did have a couple of Lisa Frank journals. And like a cool feature, if you know about Lisa Frank and her journals, she always had the "This belongs to." I'm gonna write my name in it later, not right now obviously, but so cool, so dope. I'm super excited. Like, I was freaking out when I found this. I just had like a random thought in my head, and I was like, what about those coloring like things I used to do? Lisa Frank. I looked her up, and bam, there was a palette. I didn't even know about it. And I was like, okay, I need to buy one. I need to buy, like, right now. I go into Ulta, and I was like, okay, it's there. And this was like at nighttime, so I was like, okay, let me, I'm just go to sleep and I'll buy one in the morning. It was freaking sold out. This palette was sold out on Ulta, and like overnight. Like, I literally was shook. I was like, no. I was like, I need this palette. So I went onto Morphe, and they still had the tiger one. There's 2 other ones that they had. It was like a unicorn and an alien, but this was the only one they had left because the other 2 were sold out. I bought it, and I just got it last night. We're gonna get into this. Like, my inspiration, I kind of want it to be like the packaging. So I'm gonna use like yellows, orange, pinks, and a purple today in my look. Pretty much the only yellow in this palette is that top yellow up there, which is called Sunflower. I want to go in with the yellow in the inner corner. So kind of like right in there. Dang, look at that pigment, you guys. That was literally like a couple swipes into the color. And don't worry if you like bring it too far into the eyelid. Like, that's fine. We're gonna blend it all together. So like, don't worry about it. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's like a salmony orange pinky type of shade. It's called Balloon Buddies. I just think those other 2 are more reddish. Like, that's not kind of what I'm going for. So we're gonna go in with this other color. Oh, I forgot to mention, put the orange in the, you know what I'm doing, you see me. Okay, so we got the orange in there. Now we're gonna go for a pink, and I can't resist. I can't resist that pink right there. Now be careful with this, okay? It's gonna be very pigmented. I already know this. And you want it in the outer. So just kind of tap it over here. We're just putting the color down first, and then we'll go back in and blend it all out. But yeah, then you're gonna take like the pink and blend it in with that orange. Now we're gonna take a different brush. So going into the crease and blending all that together on the top. Just to blend it out a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade of pink right here, which is called Rainbow Chaser. And this is going into the crease where we just blended. Cause your girl likes some pink in her life, okay? I love pink. I wouldn't say it's my favorite color. If you know me, if you've seen my videos, my favorite color is orange, but I really do love me some pink sometimes. So I'm gonna be doing purple next. I'm gonna get into this color, Lollipop, and that's gonna go underneath. So I'm using this and this. And the other one is called Roxy and Rolly. Now I'm going in with that darker purple. Make sure that purple connects with that pink. I'm gonna take that like shimmery yellow on the top, which is called Cassie and Camus. I don't know who Cassie and Camus is, but that looks like a poppin' little inner eye moment that we're gonna do. Oh yes, this is exactly what I needed. A little concealer there, a little concealer here, and then go in and then just clean that up. I'm gonna just put on my mascara real quick. I'm not gonna lie, it don't look as good like as it would with falsies, but we're making it work, okay? If you got some falsies, put some on because it'll be banging. Okay guys, so I did my bronzer, blush, and highlight. Okay, so now we're gonna do the last part, which is my favorite lip combo that I recently discovered in you guys. Like, I think this is my favorite lip combo ever, okay? So let me just tell you about the liner first. So this is the Maybelline liner in the shade 105, and it's called Nude Whisper. Honestly, like this color is just even like, I would love this color for a lip. Like just how, look how good that is for a liner. Now we're gonna go in with, now I've had this lipstick for a long time and it's been one of my favorites, but it's really like the liner with the lip combo that makes it like perfection. So this is the Urban Decay lipstick, the Comfort Matte in the shade Safe Word. And there you have it. There's like my perfect lip nude that I'm obsessed with right now. But like, tell me that this is not like the perfect nude. Like, tell me that it's not. Tell me. Because it is. I'm just gonna do some setting spray. And there you have it, guys. This is the completed look. Definitely, if it's not sold out, pick up this palette because it's amazing. The colors are pigmented, obviously. Guys, I love this. I love this palette. I think y'all will love it too. So go ahead and get one. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. So if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video ideas that you might have for me to do next time. Or comment down below if you ever owned anything Lisa Frank, like when you were younger. I'll see you guys in my next video and I hope you'll have a great day. Okay, now bye.